morning, everyone. It is a rainy, crappy, cold day today, so I will be inside cleaning and maybe baking. It would be a good day to bake something. I've been up since about 7 because it was a torrential downpour this morning and it woke me up. Then I made some breakfast. I have load number 1 of laundry going. I have some dishes to do. I just have a lot of in-the-house stuff to do. Please excuse this. I'm gonna be inside doing chores all day, so I didn't want to put makeup on when I was just gonna sweat it off anyway. So I will take you guys along with me as I get shit done around the house. Alright, my little Christmas craft worked out. I think that looks pretty cute. Anyone want to guess at what I'm going to be doing for the next however many minutes? Yeah. This is not going to be fun, but I promised my kiddos that I would put the stupid ornament hangers on, so that's what I'm going to do. You know, 'tis the season and whatever. And because I'm a witch, I have an extra jar to put the spare ornament hangers in so that I don't lose them, because I have ADHD and I have a tendency to lose things. So I'm putting them in here and I'm putting them under the sink so they're there when I need them if I get more ornaments. Also got some more Christmas parcels that I need to go through and to put the kids' stuff up, and then my daughter said she wanted to help me wrap the stuff that is not hers or her siblings, so that should be fun. I had a couple of non-holiday things in those boxes. Some green tea, because I've had trouble finding that locally lately, and sometimes instead of coffee I like to just have a double shot of plain green tea in the morning. No sugar, no honey, no nothing. Just green tea, hot water, that's it. And this Midwest Living Best Recipes collection from Thrift Books, which is one of my favorite sites to get books from. And it has all kinds of goodness. So I will be testing out some of these recipes in here. I love collecting cookbooks. My great-grandma did it, my grandma did it, and sadly most of their collection did not come down to me. It was lost over time. So I had my entire Vlogmas video edited, ready to upload, whatever. And then when I went to export it, it deleted all my edits. So now I'm cooking dinner, not feeling so hot, and working on re-editing everything to get it uploaded. Alright, I'm hangry. I'll probably feel better after I eat, but that's what's going on with me right now. Alright, I just finished dinner. I think I got my video as good as I am able to get it right now. I lost some of the footage when it messed up earlier. There's nothing I can do about it. Technology messes up sometimes, but it's fine. I am gonna go soak in a hot bath and go to bed soon. I'm not feeling that great, but I will try again tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the morning.